Hello, in this video, we'll talk about the almost common light switches that electrical projects uses for light control. Before we continue, remember to subscribe in our channel, like the video, and active the notifications to help us grow in the platform single pole switches. The most basic and common type of light switch is the single pole switch. This switch controls a single light or a set of lights from one location. It has two terminals, one for the incoming hot wire and one for the outgoing hot wire to the light fixture. When you flip the switch up or down, it completes or breaks the circuit, turning the light on or off. This switch is simple, reliable, and typically found in most rooms in a home. Three-way light switches. Three-way switches are used when you want to control a single light or a set of lights from two different locations. This is commonly seen in hallways or staircases, where you might want to control the light from both the top and bottom of the stairs, for instance. A three-way switch setup involves two switches and a special wiring configuration. Each three-way switch has three terminals, one common terminal and two traveler terminals. The common terminal is connected to the power source or the light fixture, while the traveler terminals are connected to the other switch's traveler terminals. The light can be turned on or off from either switch, depending on the position of both switches. When you flip either switch, you change the path of electricity through the traveler wires, which in turn changes whether the light is on or off. This means that flipping one switch may not always result in the light turning on or off. It depends on the state of the other switch as well. Four-way light switches. Four-way switches are used when you need to control a light from three or more locations. This setup often appears in larger rooms with multiple entry points or in long hallways where lights need to be controlled from different ends. A four-way switch system involves two three-way switches at the ends and one or more four-way switches in between. The four-way switch has four terminals, two for the incoming traveler wires from one three-way switch and two for the outgoing traveler wires to the other three-way switch. The four-way switch acts as an intermediary, allowing the light to be controlled from any of the switches in the setup. Flipping a four-way switch changes the path of electricity between the two traveler circuits, effectively controlling the light based on the positions of the other switches. Summary: single pole switches control a light from one location. Three-way switches control a light from two locations. Four-way switches control a light from three or more locations. Understanding these different types of switches can help in planning lighting for various areas of a home or office, ensuring convenience and functionality tailored to specific needs. If you have any questions, type in the comments section. See you in the next videos. Bye.